All right, we are in Vancouver, and we are in Chinatown. So we're gonna go get some food, and then we will walk around a little bit.
You know what? I was just thinking the same thing. I was like, are they just enjoying it like we're enjoying it? Go somewhere they're not.
Open over.
Is there a human there? Oh, it must be because they're stopped for a long time.
Do we stop here?
Display your card. Yes. Stop here.
Okay.
Until it turns green. The sign right there.
Good day, Mike.
What? Don't do that. That's Australian.
Hello.
Hi there. Passports.
Can we get stamps, please?
We don't do stamps anymore. Sorry. No, it's not. Can you roll the window here so I can
Oh, yes.
pull from the back? Thank you. Where
I'm
do you
just-
all live?
Actually, we live in Mexico, Guadalajara.
Okay. Where are you going?
We're gonna go up here to eat Vancouver just for the day.
Okay. And then you're staying somewhere
In Seattle.
in Seattle right now?
Yeah. I'm going back up, okay? So, yeah. A little bit. I just wanted you to see Colton.
And so are you just on vacation right now?
Yes, we are.
Oh, sure. All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm so sad. Sad. This looks just like Northern California. I'm sure it doesn't look like that when it snows.
Clean your drain.
Clean and drain and dry your boat.
I don't know. I totally got something totally different.
Oh my. Wow. I missed that shot.
You might get another one. Right here, right here, right here. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
I'm trying. This is in the way.
What?
It's not the picture I wanted.
Oh, there you go. Must be an American.
That was a little heavy on the honk there. Calm down.
Well, parking here. Does that?
Well, where is the place? I guess is. Let me look. Let's see how far the place is.
Here, I can drive by the place right now.
Yeah, because if there's parking near it, then we probably should do that. Because I don't think we should leave the car too long.
Alright, so it looks like we can park on the street. So is it right here?
Yeah, up.
Oh, right there, barbecue.
Oh, they carry a gun. Or is that a stun gun?
No, it's a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a.
Oh, I see. It just looked real thick, but it was the case that was.
Oh, look, he's got pins too.
Mom, I don't think it's necessary.
Well, you know what's interesting is definitely see. Oh wow.
A large police presence.
Oh wow. We got the meth lean over here.
Oh.
Lean with
Chinese restaurants. Oh, look at the Lambo. Got the Lambo right there. So we're gonna go ahead and eat at Chinatown BBQ.
They're sold out. They're sold out.
So that place was sold out. That place was sold out. So we're gonna try some other place. Oh, look at the pasta stickers on the roof. All right, where do you want to eat, babe? Okay.
So they're sold out. Just like a barbecue place. Look how cute.
Oh, they're letting us cross.
Thank you. Just like a barbecue place. They make it fresh and then they sell out.
Yeah, Gloria was really excited about eating at Chinatown BBQ, but they only make so much food for the day, and they've sold out already. So, of course, in Chinatown, where do you go? You go get a burger. That's where we're going now, I think. Oh, between the buns. That sounds like a good movie name too. Small little place. Well, you know, nice. Good vibe.
Yummy. Wow.
All right, so this is the burger. Closing up the bacon burger. So what I like about this is the char. You got the char on the burger, so right here. And it's like a smash burger. It's really good. It's really good. A lot of flavor, very juicy. Not too much on it, you know. You can just taste the flavor of the meat. All right, so we are leaving. It was good lunch. Well, actually, out dinner. Good dinner. So we had breakfast in Mexico. We had a snack in the United States, and we had dinner in Canada. So 3 countries in one day. Nice. So we're just gonna walk a little bit to walk off some of that food. So I wonder what the hours are, because there's a lot of places that are closed. Oh, I guess they're open. Just gotta ring the doorbell.
Well, this Jade Dynasty is open, and I didn't realize it was open. That's kind of weird.
Oh, wow.
This Jade Dynasty is open. Oh my God, look at her hair. How beautiful. Wow. And I didn't realize it was open. Look at her China food. But this was, whew, they knocked it out of the park.
Yeah, that burger was good. I like the buns. I like when the buns have really good bread.
I know, but look at the dumpling. And they have dim sum.
I haven't had dim sum in a long
Look
time.
at tea.
Yeah. Good. Storytelling center. Yeah, it's kind of weird.
I'm so sad. There must be crime.
Well,
You know what I mean?
well, there's a lot of homeless people here.
Oh, that's true. What is he doing?
Being homeless?
I thought he was skiing or something.
No. Oh wow. Alrighty then. Can you see that?
Yes, babe. Come on, I'm staring at people in their house.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh.
I try to give a little bit of
Decorum, privacy.
there we go. I don't want anybody staring at me in my house. Just 'cause
But
I
they
have
do.
balls.
They do stare at our. They walk past and they look in the window.
Look at her hair, it's so beautiful. Yeah, literally just stare like this. I was like, what are you doing? I'm sorry, I was just like, whoa.
Well, he's undressing over there.
Oh, here we go. Go this direction.
Yeah.
Look at, we missed the tea room.
Yeah.
Oh man, we're in Chinatown, we missed the tea.
Yeah. So what time is it? It is. So it's 8 o'clock, and a lot of stuff is closed up.
Oh, look, House of India.
Got some Indian food here.
I don't smell anything.
No, but you smell the Chinese food down there, and you smell the burgers too.
Yeah. For sure. Don't get too close because well, we gotta get going because I don't know what time that store closes. That store closes on that street.
Let's go back.
Okay. And I don't want to get too far away from the car either. Because I didn't realize the level was...
It's fun because as they're driving, you saw the new apartments and everything else. But when it got close to here,
Right.
it kind of looked a little bit more run down. But yeah. But I guess that's why the police were over there,
This is just a picture of this being a nighttime spot. Make sure I keep an eye on that. Just taking chances. Still got a good glimpse.
No, I didn't go in.
Oh my god, it smells like heaven.
Oh, there's no reason. Look, if I can't eat it, ain't no reason to smell it.
It smells so good.
All right, so you know what place you want to go to now?
No, I've been eating pasta.
Oh wow. Okay. Let's clean out this crack pipe. It's kind of funny. He was parked over there, and now he's parked over here. going to the next location.
Have all traffic. It's 2 lanes? Oh, nice. There we go. Over.
Jesus.
Holy hell.
What type of light was that?
Come on. He's waving you on. So is he American?
Yes.
And they were Canadian going
How you doing
that
today, guys?
direction.
Doing fantastic. How you doing, sir?
Good, good. Can you load it back on the front?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Brian,
Yes, sir.
Gloria, and Colton. How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing good.
What you guys do in Canada?
Just kind of went up there to. We just wanted to do something different, you know, because a lot of people
Slower.
do stuff when they retire.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But when you retire, you're old and don't want to do anything.
That's true.
You know, so do something now. You know what I mean? While you still can.
All right, guys, how's it
Exactly.
going?
I thank you too.
Thank you.
Is it Statway or?
Yeah, the little driving zone right there.
Okay.
We're testing your driving experience.
All right, thank you.
Come on.
What? Oh, I see.
Oh, I guess that's something we'll get smashed.
Yeah, smash and dash.